What is up, guys? This is Jared Spalding here, and I got another new coin video for you. It's a 1948 wheat penny. The camera focus here would be nice. You just zoom out a little bit. There we go. Sorry about how much my hand's shaking here, but now let me just give you guys detail on the back of the coin here. It's pretty good detail. You know, it's only worth maybe $1 or $2 at the most, $2. Maybe not even that. You know, it's just very common gear. As far as I know, never heard about any rare. You know, any rare varieties of the coin. There could be probably double die for like every coin, it seems. If you're wondering, that's not damage on the coin. That's just on the coin case. You look at it right there, you can see it. That's definitely not to the coin itself though, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's it for now. Peace, love, much respect.